Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to delete Google account. If you want to delete your Google account, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Google app and here you just have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And here just select the account you want to delete. As I'm going to delete this one, so just tap on it and then tap on manage your Google account. And here you can see the option of search, just tap on it and here just search for delete and then you will get the option of delete your Google account. Just tap on it and now you just have to verify yourself, and after that just scroll down and look for delete account. Just read them first and then tap on delete account, and after that your Google account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.